Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to change your email address. So if you want to change your email address, you can do it. You have to go to Gmail, login, and you have to create a new Gmail first. So you have to write create Gmail account. Then you have to create a new Gmail first. After creating your new Gmail account, what you're going to do is go to your old Gmail then go to settings, see all settings. Then you can see here forward and prompt IMAP. Click on this. Then you have to add a forwarding address here. Then you have to put here your new email address and verify it through your code. Okay, so that the all email will be all incoming email will become and forward to that your new specific email account what you have been typing or add here. Okay guys, after add you have to click on next and verification your email account. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.